guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to Blink View TV, guys. It's MTA, and they're doing work on their track. And guys, as you can see, they take safety very serious. Everybody has to be in their vests, hard hat, gloves, eye protection. Everyone has to be well geared up, guys, for this. This is the MTA. This is how they operate. This is a crane that they use to lift all the sleepers for the track. This is a big operation going on here, guys. You see the guys right there? There's all those sleepers that they're with the railroad and with the rail on top of them. So that's how they pick them up and they replace them onto the train track. Guys, it's a very hot day too. So to be wearing all these hard hats out here in the sun, guys, it's like your brain is cooking. It's very hot out here, and these guys, they still have to be geared up because it's safety. It's a protocol for them. They take safety MTA, they take safety very seriously. I sometimes be doing this kind of work, guys. See, guys, yeah, and stuff. Guys, they do the welding. And guys, to operate anything over there, you have to be certified. No matter how small the unit is that you're going to drive, you have to be certified in doing so. You have to have your OSHA, you have to have your 40 hours safety class. There's a lot of things that goes into working on the train track. A lot of things going, a lot of training and everything that goes through there. Below where you see the fire sparking and dropping on the ground, there's a fire watch downstairs, and that's how they operate. Somebody watching to make sure no fire, you know, get away. So a fire watch is always on site. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. One Blink View TV. Thanks for watching.